Diabetes mellitus is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by high levels of glucose in the blood, which can lead to serious health complications if not managed properly. One of the key components of managing diabetes is following a healthy meal plan. For beginners who are just starting out on their journey to managing diabetes through diet, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. There is so much information out there about what foods to eat and what foods to avoid. It can be hard to know what is truly best for your body. One of the first things to consider when creating a diabetes meal plan is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. This means choosing foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are rich in nutrients and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied. When planning your meals, it's important to pay attention to portion sizes. Eating too much of any food, even healthy ones, can cause blood sugar levels to spike. It's also important to spread your meals and snacks throughout the day, rather than eating large meals all at once. This can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevent sudden spikes or drops. Another key component of a diabetes meal plan is to limit your intake of refined carbohydrates and sugars. These foods can cause blood sugar levels to rise quickly, leading to a crash later on. Instead, focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables, which are digested more slowly and can help keep your blood sugar levels steady. In addition to watching your carbohydrate intake, it's also important to pay attention to the types of fats you are consuming. While fats are an essential part of a healthy diet, some fats can be harmful to people with diabetes. Try to limit your intake of saturated and trans fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Instead, focus on healthy fats like those found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. When planning your meals, try to include a variety of different foods to ensure you are getting all the nutrients your body needs. This can help prevent nutrient deficiencies and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Aim to include a source of protein, a serving of vegetables, a complex carbohydrate, and a healthy fat in each meal to create a balanced plate. Snacking can also be a part of a healthy diabetes meal plan, as long as you choose the right foods. Opt for snacks that are low in added sugars and high in fiber, such as fresh fruit, raw vegetables, nuts, or whole grain crackers. These snacks can help keep your blood sugar levels stable between meals and prevent overeating later on. In addition to following a healthy meal plan, it's also important to stay hydrated and get regular exercise to help manage your diabetes. Drinking plenty of water can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent dehydration, while exercise can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Overall, creating a diabetes meal plan for beginners can be a challenging but rewarding process. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, watching portion sizes, and balancing your meals with a variety of nutrients, you can help manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet, and listen to your body to determine what works best for you. With time and practice, you can develop a meal plan that works for your individual needs and helps you live a healthy, balanced life with diabetes.